Alright, we're gone. Brownie. So I bought a brownie. Ooh. What else? Steak and chicken. Hi guys, so I'm back and it fits, but it's tight. Wow. Yeah. I look like this. I got the shorts. Oh, Savage Fenty. That's cute. Let me smell it. Also got a juicy couture. Princess Light activated. Just welcome back to my channel. I hear one bloat, it won't comb. She said take your time, what's the rush? Hi guys, so I'm back and I think this is probably going to be my intro. Maybe I am spending some time. I'm going to spend some time away from Jamaica, like for a month or so.
My question is, if he offers to fly you out, are you going? Are you going? Because I am. I'm going. Judge me later. Judge me tomorrow. Now, first step, get this hair done.
I need to get ready. I need to get myself together to catch that flight. So let's get ourselves together to catch that flight.
I got my hair combed today because we're taking yet another trip. So my hair won't blow, it won't comb. We're about to do some of that today. Bring up my umbrella. And I'm wearing the shirt that I bought the other day.
Not Bobby Bella. I'm not billing the man for.
Well, my forehead burn up. I'm wearing
And I know some may be wondering, she's moving as if she don't got no kids. And she don't. She's moving as if she don't got a job. And she didn't. Alright, let's get ready for this. Let's get ready to go.
They have like one of the best popcorns, so we're here to try it.
So the rep was like, we're close, but I think the manager saw that I had my camera and she was so sweet. She was like, it's okay, and gave me a pack of popcorn for free. So I got popcorn. Thank you so much to that lady.
Princess Light activated. Good morning. So I look slightly crazy, but I just want to do my face. My cleanser was burning on my face.
So I'm going to be here for a month, so it's time for me to get comfy and unpack my suitcase. Yeah, I brought a lot of stuff. In my mind, I was going to slay every day, all day, so I had to bring clothes. I brought shoes, I brought bags.
We came to this spot. Hello. Take a look. Okay, so we went to the bakery. I went to the bakery and I'm going to try the brownie. So I bought a brownie. It's real good. They said I put pecan in it. I can taste the pecan. I'm not really a fan of nuts. I like cashew. That's the brownie. And I got this cookie, praline cookie. Praline cookie is really good. It's very, very sweet. But the praline cookie is good. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How do I look? I know my nails look wild. Welcome to my channel. We're in the land of the brave and the free. The praline one, pretty good. We're spending some time here and we're going to do a vlog in the land of the brave and the free. So let's see what we get up to. I hope you enjoy the vlog. We're hitting the ground running with some sweets. I had a burger earlier and a french fries, large burger, and I ate the entire thing. My face is a bit dry from a cleanser that I was using, but they have this cleanser out by Fantana, right? The 1% one, I'm going to show you later. The 1% is good for my skin. They ran out of the 1% and I got the 2%. It was like, sorry, I think the percent is having some sort of acidic thing to it, but it's very strong. The 2% affect my skin, so I couldn't work with it. But hold on, it's a taco spot. So this one I have beef, barbecue, what else, steak and chicken. I have ice cream, but it's dripping all over me, so I'm going to eat it now. Alright, we're gone.
I'm going to be a famous influencer by the end of this year. You may not know me, but you will.
So I've been told that there are good perfumes in Jug Emporium. So let's see if it's a lie or if it's the truth. So we're here getting perfumes. I like this one with a crown, is a couture, and I like the Jimmy Choo illicit flower, but I want to smell the fever. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I bought some stuff and I wanted to show you what I've been buying. Some gifts as well. So I want to show you some stuff that I've been accumulating. Okay, so what we bought this body scrub today. It's a rose water, sensitive plus rose water and pink sea salt, which is pretty good. And then what else we got today? Oh, I got gifted some perfumes today that I'm excited about. So this is the Jug Emporium. They have discounted perfumes there. So this one was like for $56, and it is the Jimmy Choo Fever. Alright, it smelled good in the store when I tried it. I like Jimmy Choo. I bought this floral one before. This one is a bit like nighttime. It's sweet, but at the same time it has a little masculine touch to it, and it's really good. And this is the Jimmy Choo Fever. And then another one that I got was another Jimmy Choo. This is Jimmy Choo Illicit Floral. So in a cover so it's slightly ghetto, but they have basically, they sell perfumes there, and they have like perfumes discounted. So this one is Jimmy Choo Illicit Floral, and it's very florally, very summer, very daytime. It kind of reminds me of the Jimmy Choo I had before, which was in like a pink bottle. Now go later, so spray on some same time. Let me spray on some same time. Very floral, very summery, very girly. And then I also got a Juicy Couture. I love this one. This one is really cute. Juicy Couture. It has a zipper on it. I bought it because of the crown. It's just too cute. Juicy Couture. I don't remember the name of it. Let me see if I find the name. No, I don't find the name. But it smells really good. It smells really good. Yeah. And this is the Juicy Couture. Cute. My fingernail I got through a little phase right now. What else did I get? I got some stuff from Zara, some perfume stuff. 1 minute. Hopefully the music will play on the background while I fit this. But so I got this from Zara. Yeah, I love perfumes. I love perfumes. And this one is the cherry smoothie, and it's supposed to smell really good. The lively fruity of cherry and plum are accentuated by the tart freshness of almond in a sensual world of black vanilla and tonka beans. It's said to smell really good, like it's supposed to be really good. So let's see what it is about. This one was like for $17. And this is all looks cute. Let me smell it. Oh wow, this smells good. This smells really good. Alright, and then the other one is Nude Bouquet. I like vanilla smelling perfume and stuff like that. This is Eau de Parfum, where the vibrant freshness of yuzu highlights a delicate white floral bouquet. originally for $14. Yeah. Oh jeez, let me see if I can open it. So this is how it looks. Alright. There we go. I'm gonna take this out of the way. Whoa, some of them must smell good. Nude bouncy. Oh, this, yeah. I smell the yuzu. I smell the yuzu. This smells good. This smells good. It must smell confusing when I go to this place later. All right, this the yuzu is strong in it, but it smells. This smells summery as well. Slightly fruity. I'll give you like a better description later. My top one would be, out of the Zara one, would be the cherry smoothie. It smells really good. Fruity, and it smells like a smoothie. Yeah, it smells like a fruit smoothie. A sweet fruit smoothie. So I did go a little wild on Fenty. My girl Fenty got some of my coins. And I bought, because you know me, I like boxers. And Fenty had some satin boxers. So this is how one of them look. Cute. May try it on later and let you guys see. But this is how it looks. Definitely gonna fit me. Fenty, Savage Fenty. And then what else do I have? A bra from them. Boy, I know so this can fit me. It's green. And then what else I got from Fenty? Quite a few stuff. I got ooh, satin. This one I think is cute. I think I got matching ones. Look at this color, baby. And it's all satin. This is supposed to be like a top. It's supposed to be like a top. No, it's a boxer type shorts. Oh, Savage Fenty. Cute. What else I have? Ooh, this bra is going to look so good on with something that's on my back. Wait, let me show you. I'm so excited about these. Ooh, a special gift for you. 100 wine voucher. $100. Oh, this is cute. Delivery included. Oh, this is nice. Wine. We can probably get wine. All right. We got. And they're in the bag and all of that. Oh my gosh, I want to do the unboxing. It's basically a twin. I'm going to say I want to do it on TikTok as well. So, let me show you the out of here that I have. They come in a satin bag, and they look like this. I got me the twinning type of girl, baby. They're absolutely beautiful, So I got 2 pairs of those, and then I think these are some undies as well. Yeah. Oh no. Forget them up. It's a bra. Oh Jesus, hope this can fit me. I hope this can fit, but this is a look. Oh, it's stretch. You can get the vision. But yeah, and then oh, this purple one. But I have a vision. I had a vision. Baby, just to lounge around in your house and stuff, and it feels so good. Wow. Yeah, Fenty is that girl. Fenty took some of my coins the other way. What else did I buy? I bought some stuff from Fashion Nova as well. This is supposed to be a shorts. I'm gonna say it again. Oh, these are sparkly. These are stretch. These are stretch. But I think it can fit me. So these are the shorts, look. I got this set. It's supposed to be a romper. Oh Lord, this is big. It's supposed to like fit slightly oversized. It's a short romper. But it kind of look big for me still. This is how it looks. Once it looks enough for wash. So, what did I buy? I bought black shorts. Of course, many black shorts. What? But really up size and level. Like, I feel like I can't fit me. How to stretch? Let me stretch and the waist is tiny. Mighty God of Daniel. I don't know. I need to try it. I'm gonna try it and see if it fit. I'm concerned now. Oh, jeez. I am. Can't fit. Can't fit. It can't fit me. Like it fits, but it's tight. Alright, so this is how I look. But it like give me no shape. So I should have probably go up to a size 13. But then the waist part would probably big. I don't know how I feel. I don't know. I have my blouse. Everything underneath. Yeah, it's gonna fit. It's gonna fit. It's gonna fit. It fits. It fits. It fits. I know you're not really get a good view of the stuff I'm gonna try on. This is so oversized. Come button up. Oh, is it the oversized? Really oversized. Tight at the back. It's way too big. Way too big for me. This is like really big. I don't know feel about the colors on it. What are the colors given? What are the colors given? Let me step back. What are the colors given? It looks too grown. I don't know. What are those? I don't know. Something about it just. If I can be your girl. I don't know. Probably the blows underneath. I don't know. Anyways, that is it. Hi guys, I've been absent. Hi guys, I've been absent for a hot minute, but I'm gonna try my best with at least one video per day to journey what I've been up to. My hair look wild. But I'm going out for dinner right now. This is how I look. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave my tripod. I'm gonna leave my tripod in Jamaica. And that's horrible, I'm gonna need to go on tripod. But this is all I look for dinner. Yeah, I have on my fancy sandals. I'm gonna put on my shoes just yet. But let's go out and have some food. My go restaurant that I really like. I really like what I do. The sushi roll. I have this mango coconut type sushi that I really like. So I'm going for that. And probably some beef. Let's see. I don't know, the lighting brighter. That's what man. Jeez, PM. The lights were bright. But let's go for food. Oh, look at my flowers right here. They're still going really well. Love that. Love that. Let's go.
They must search for the tightest puff. Addicted to the squeeze and clutch.
Spring rolls. So we have sesame, sweet soy, sesame steak, actually, fried rice, coconut, mango, shrimp, sushi roll. This is definitely one of my favorite restaurants. How much do you think we spent on all of these groceries? Guess. Drop your answers in the comments. So we got a lot of stuff. As you can see, we got peas, waffles, breakfast items, shrimp, chicken. Put your answer in the comments. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love you, and see you in the next video. Mwah.
I'm gonna be a famous influencer.